Thank you guys for joining me. Today I'm showing you how I make garlic paste. Garlic is a very versatile vegetable with lots of health benefits. Apart from chewing this for health reasons, you can as well add garlic to many of your recipes like soups, stews, sauces and rice recipes. So in this video I'll be showing you how I make garlic paste. So we are going to start by peeling the garlic. I don't know how you peel your garlic, but this is the easiest way for me. I just squeeze the garlic in between my fingers. And the skin is easily removed this way. So I'll just repeat this with the remaining garlic and I'm done. So once I'm done peeling the garlic, I just bring this into one bowl. And here it is, then get rid of the skin. Now to blend the garlic, you can use a food processor or a grinder. So I'm going to bring the garlic which I've peeled into a grinder. I'm just going to attach it back to the machine. I'll just go ahead and blend this right away. Before the garlic is completely smooth, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, sunflower oil or any odorless oil to it and blend. Continue blending until this is completely smooth and nice. And this is what it looks like. Very smooth garlic paste. Once I'm done, I'm going to transfer this into a container with a lid. A jar will still be nice for this. If you have a jar, you can use that. Once you're done transferring the garlic paste into a container or a jar, you're going to add some olive oil or sunflower oil to it. This is a natural preservative. It's going to seal the garlic paste from air and also prevent it from spoiling quickly. You can now seal it up with a lid and place this in the fridge or in the freezer if you want it to stay longer. This was how to prepare garlic paste. I hope you loved this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also remember to click the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Until next time, bye.